sir.
Good evening.
Sir, tell me something about trigger finger today.
Trigger finger is a very common condition. Usually what happens, there is, in this condition, there is inflammation of the flexor tendons of the finger, whichever finger is involved, at the level of this, metacarpophalangeal joint. And due to that, what happens, your finger gets stuck in the flexion or in bent position. So whenever you just try to extend it, there will be a click and then it will be straight. So there is inflammation at this level, but your finger joint at the level of proximal interphalangeal joint, it will be stuck. So it is because of the inflammation of the tendon sit at the of the flexor tendon at metacarpophalangeal joint. And again, like in other conditions, like in DQ Tenosynovitis, it's also a Tenosynovitis, and the treatment is in the same line. Usually we treat by conservatively in most of the cases, and the results are very, very encouraging by conservative treatment only. Sometimes we may go with a local steroid injection, which again I do not prefer, and the final and the definitive treatment in some cases, that is also very rare, very rarely we